Led by Crown Counsel Howard Pinnock, the prosecution called a list of 11 witnesses to give evidence in the non-capital murder case brought against 36-year-old Ricardo Edgar, aka Spanish, the Venezuelan national accused of the execution-styled shooting death of Shaniel Blackman, also known as Shizzle, in March 2018. Attorney Jerry Edwin, who is providing legal counsel for the maintenance worker, called one witness identified as the girlfriend of the main witness for the prosecution to support his client's defense. Edwin told GBN News that the trial, which commenced at the St. George's No. 1 High Court early last month, is expected to wrap up on Thursday. Both the prosecution and defense teams are expected to make their final addresses to the jurors before the judge's summation of the evidence and the jury retires to deliberate on a verdict. In a legal trial, summation refers to the final closing argument articulated by a litigant to a judge or jury concerning the merits of their side of a case. This is the second time that the Shaniel Blackman murder case came up for trial in the High Court. Madam Justice Paula Guilford was forced to abort and reschedule the trial last November after prejudicial evidence was presented by one of the witnesses for the Crown. Blackman was shot to death in an area close to where he lived with his female companion in Belmont, St. George. According to Attorney Edwin, the murder-accused Edgar, who has been on remand since being arrested and charged in 2020, continues to maintain that he is innocent. If convicted of the indictable non-capital murder charge, Edgar could face a maximum penalty of life imprisonment. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.